Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to check your Facebook page quality, whether your page is at risk, whether your page is okay, whether your page has an issue. So without wasting much of time, let's head straight to the video. Please, if this is your first time here, kindly hit that red subscribe button there and don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon. So the first thing that you do is to go to your Facebook page. As you can see here, let's go to our Facebook page. Let's go to our Facebook. Let's look at our Facebook. Where is our Facebook? Okay, this is Facebook app. You go to Facebook. Okay, as you can see, it's loading now. Okay, when this is my Facebook profile. As you can see, it's opening now, and my page is my page is a new user experience. Okay, what you do now is to locate your page settings. Locate your page settings. You locate your page settings. Okay, you come here now, locate your page settings. Okay, when you go to your page menu, okay, here in your page menu you go straight to settings. This is settings. I'm in settings now. You go straight to settings. Okay, just watch what I'm doing now. This settings now is for new user experience for Facebook. You go to say this thing. Then you come straight to this place here. You see where it says page quality. You check it. As you can see here, it says page has no issue. That was just how to check your page quality. Without wasting much of time, let me do it again so that you see how I did it. First of all, you locate your page settings. To locate your page settings, what you have to do is just click on this, on your profile picture, the one at the top right hand side of your feed. You click on it. Okay, when you click on it, you locate where it says settings. Okay, you locate where it says settings. This is my settings. I click on settings here. I'll go to my settings. As you can see, it's loading here. This place that is loading here, it says control preferences for this page, like privacy, notification and other settings. You click on this place that it says page settings, because you are going for your page settings. You click on this place here. You can see you come straight. You have other stuff like privacy, page and tagging, public post blocking. Then you come straight to this place where it says page quality. Okay, then here you have seen that your page has no issue. So that's just how to check your page quality, whether your page has an issue, whether it has no issue or not. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon. Kindly comment and also like this video.